This is an unboxing of Catwoman from the new Batman Adventures McFarland toys. This is an unboxing. Here's Catwoman in the new Batman Adventures McFarland toys DC Direct box. You can look at it from all sides on this thing. And here's Catwoman out of the box with 3 pairs of hands. And here's the stand for it. Here's the card with Catwoman on it. Here's the back of the card. Episode You Scratch My Back, Season 1, Episode 5. Air date November 15, 1997. The new Batman Adventures. Here's 3 pairs of hands for Catwoman to use, and her pet cat. And here's the action figure, Catwoman, from the new Batman Adventures. Here's the whole set in the box, from the box. That's the unboxing of Catwoman from the new Batman Adventures. Thank you for watching the video.